Hello, I'm Stephanie, a content engineer at Markforged, and today we're taking a look at inspection fixtures. Inspection fixtures are custom work holding that support inspection tools like CMMs and go-no-go gauges. Fixtures hold the part being inspected in specific orientations, making measurements to evaluate tolerances quick and easy. They're typically made from custom machined parts or modular systems that are difficult to assemble, set up, and take down. Since every product undergoing inspection is unique, you don't need hundreds of any single fixture. Unfortunately, traditional low-volume production comes with a long lead time and high cost. Additive manufacturing offers a way to 3D print in-house, simple, standalone fixtures that precisely cradle each product's unique geometry. A good inspection fixture must maintain tight tolerances and minimal deflection to ensure a high level of accuracy without damaging the product. Markforged Sonics with continuous carbon fiber reinforcement combines the strength and stiffness of metal with the affordability and non-marring properties of plastics. So how can we use Markforged's 3D printing to make a good inspection fixture? Say I make these steel connecting rods to connect pistons and crankshafts, and need to take it through quality assurance. I'll design an inspection fixture in CAD that locates it on its two bores and secures it with an off-the-shelf toggle clamp to fully constrain all the degrees of freedom. I designed mounting holes on the base so I can bolt it to a breadboard or some other immobile surface. I can then use a CMM to check the tolerances so I know that the engine assembly will be perfectly aligned. 3D printed inspection fixtures increase part precision and process simplicity. All you have to do is pull your printed fixture off your shelf, allowing you to inspect more parts in less time.